And now we will start the first leg, and then what we'll do the first leg, and then we'll start second leg, and then we will connect them, and then we'll start working the way up until we finish to the top of the head. So for the first leg, we're going to do slip knot and chain 2. Then we are going to do 6 single crochet in the second chain from the stitch from the hook. Five, 6, and then we will do 6 increase for the second round, so we'll have 12 altogether. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6 increase. Third round, we're just going to do 12 single crochets. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now for round 4, we are going to do 3 single crochet, 2, 3, then we'll do 3 decrease, 1, 2, 3 decrease, and now 3 single crochet to finish the round. For round 5, we'll do 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and then again we'll do 3 decrease, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 single crochet to finish the round. In round 6, we are going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase, and we'll repeat this 3 times. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 2nd single crochet, 2nd increase, 3rd single crochet, and 3rd increase. And now we can stuff the leg. Look how cute it is. Tiny bit more. And now we're going to do 9 single crochets. This is round 7. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we slip stitch and cut. We're going to hide this here. So go ahead and do the second leg like that, and I'll meet you at round 7. So when you do the second leg, we're at the same place where we stopped the other one, round 7 with nice 9 single crochet. So now we are starting the 8th round. We don't cut the thread here. We will do 7 single crochets. So this is round 8. Start with 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we are going to attach to the first leg which we've made. So this is our slip stitch, you can see it here. So from the slip stitch we count 1, 2, and we work in the second stitch from the slip stitch. 1, 2. So now we do, now we do a single crochet here, and then we do 2 increase, so 1 increase in the next stitch and a second increase in the next stitch. Then we do 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do 2 increase. So this is our slip stitch, so I'll go down here and I'll do the 1 increase there, and the second increase in the next stitch, and then we are going to do 4 single crochet. So we are going to do 1 here, the second one, I'll just use here, third, and we'll do 1 here, 4. Then we'll do 2 increase, 1, 2 increase, and then we'll do 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 2 increase, 1, and we finish with single crochet. So from now on, here it is, from now on I'm going to use this little marker, much easier to mark the beginning of each round. So we finished joining the two legs, and now around 9 and 10 we're going to do 30 single crochet, but I want to make sure that they are 30, so we will count them. They should be 30. There is one little bit difficult to take here. This one. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 21, 22, 'and I missed the counting. Try it again. 29. What is 29? Oh, one more here. Just make sure that they're 30. Okay. So now go ahead and do round 10, 30 single crochet, and I'll be back. We are starting now round 11, and for round 11 we are going to do 3 single crochets and 1 decrease, and we will repeat this 6 times. Now 1 decrease. And at the end of the round we will have 24 stitches. 1, 2, 3. This is 1 decrease, the second one. 2, 3. This is the 3rd decrease. Fourth decrease. This is the 5th one. We have 1 more left. 1, 2, 3, and the decrease. Round 12, we are going to do 24 single crochets. So go ahead and do 24 single crochets, and I will meet you for round 13. Just 24 single crochets. We finish round 13, 12, I apologize, and now we're going to round 13, which is we're going to do 2 single crochet and 1 decrease, and we'll repeat this 6 times, which will bring our chain, our stitches to 18. So 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. Single crochet, 1 decrease, and for the next round, which is round 14, go ahead and do 18 single crochets, and I will meet you at the end of round 14.